What's up guys, Jason here from Poor Man's Preparing. This is my uncle. We're tilling his garden. As you saw earlier, we already got everything prepped, or well, he did. So we're going to till everything up and get it ready for planting. Let's get tilling. Let's do it. This here tiller is a Honda FRC 800. We just rented it from a local place, which I'm sure you can too. But it does a really excellent job at tilling up the soil. Doesn't require much effort on my behalf. But every once in a while it'll hit a rock and jump forward or something, or some hard ground. And then you just throw it in reverse and go over it again, and you're good to go. Here's a look at the tomato cages my uncle built. And these things, they just grow right up the side. They were even up above it. A couple years they grow like crazy. He's a horticulturalist, so he's very experienced at growing all sorts of vegetables and lots of landscaping and identifying plants and things like that. So he's helping teach me some things. And he wants to move this tomato cage over to a different section of the garden because I guess tomatoes eat up a certain type of nutrient in the ground. So if you rotate your crops basically with other different plants, they'll help to revitalize the soil, if I understand it correctly. So we're going to move all this, take all this down and move it over there, but we're going to till this up too. If you have a place that'll rent you equipment like this, like I mentioned earlier, this is our local one, Brown County Rental. But if you go and rent these on Fridays, often you get to keep them all weekend with just the charge of a one-day use. So that's something cool and something to think about if you ever go rent something. All right, let's get back to it. guys, my uncle's, you see him back there, he's finishing up the last little bit we had to till, but the garden looks a whole lot better. This will be part 1 of a series we'll start. Part 2 will be moving that tomato cage over here in this area here. And like I said, that's to mix things up to the tomatoes will suck up a certain nutrition from here. Then you plant something else over there and it'll add those nutrients back to the soil. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe you learned something. And stick around for part 2. Like I said, this will be an ongoing series. So we'll see how that goes, and I hope you like it. Alright guys, but that is it. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to hit the like if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. And remember, be ready.